If you are cutting or sanding any sort of wood material in your workshop, you're gonna be making dust. My recommendation for you to save yourself a ton of time is to get a dust collector. Now for us DIYers, I totally get it. It's hard to justify the cost and the space of a dedicated full-size dust collector. And for those applications, I recommend a pre-separator of sorts before your shop vac. You guys would be surprised how much suction you can maintain with a shop vac if you have that pre-separator so that dust isn't clogging up the filter on your shop vac. When you do have a dust collector, you're going to be saving yourself a ton of time with cleanup, but I do recommend things like this floor sweep here, where we don't have to use a dustpan anymore, instead we just sweep into that, or items like this. This is the Mobile Solutions Oscar. This sits on top of a garbage can and it sucks the dust down through all of these plenum holes on top here. Or if you're building out a full shop, you could do something like this. This is my router station here, and I have a dust trough behind it. This allows me to simply sweep some of the residual dust off of the router stations into that dust trough, and I also will commonly throw the extra pieces of the backing paper off template tape in there to quickly and efficiently clean as well. Also a good idea to do everything you can to collect dust at the source, and another huge time savings is not having to open and close blast gates and going with an automated system. With this system, this sensor right here detects when I turn my router on and off, and I can program it to also turn on and off my dust collector itself, along with, of course, opening the blast gate. I have a bunch of other time savings tips for your workshop. If you guys want to check them out, come on over to my YouTube channel, CarAudioFabrication.